To add a Pinterest feed to your Wix website, start by logging into your Wix account and accessing the editor for your website. From the editor, click on the Add button on the top bar and select More from the drop-down menu. This will open the Wix app market where you can search for Pinterest feed. Click on the Pinterest feed app and then click Add to Site. You will be redirected to the Pinterest feed settings page where you need to connect your Pinterest account by clicking on the Connect Account button. You will be asked to authorize the connection. Click Allow to proceed. After connecting your Pinterest account, you will be asked to select the type of feed you want to display, such as a profile, board, or hashtag. Choose the type of feed and enter the relevant details, such as your Pinterest username or the name of the board you want to display. Customize the appearance of your Pinterest feed by selecting the layout, width, and height. You can also choose to display or hide certain elements such as the header, footer, and images. Click Apply to save your changes. Drag and drop the Pinterest feed widget to the desired location on your website. You can resize the widget by dragging the edges to fit the available space. Click Save to save your changes and click Publish to make your website live. To ensure your Pinterest feed is displayed correctly, make sure to test it on different devices and browsers. You can also use the Wix mobile app to test your website on a mobile device. By following these steps, you can easily add a Pinterest feed to your Wix website and enhance the user experience with dynamic and engaging content.